Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Whew, we haven't seen one of these in a while, and we're gonna look at this one. It is a 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite Series. Oh my gosh. Model number 36FL, so let's get started. The length on this Elite Series is 43 feet 9 inches. The dry weight is 12,954 with a hitch weight of 2,025 with a GVWR 15,500.
Yeah,
nice.
This is a big mama jama. We haven't had one of those in quite a while, so woo, grab you some popcorn and a soft drink and just sit back, and we're going to go through this one. Again, we're so excited to be able to bring you 26 models. As you can see, the Salem, you know, they've got a little bit of a refresh here. Some of their graphics look a little different. So not only that, some on the inside also. Right up front, your spare is going to be in there, and of course your batteries will go over there on the side. This is actually going to have 6-point leveling on this one, which is good because it is long and it needs it.
I like to hit my head on that slide.
Yes, so you've got some Schwinn tech and some rack and pinion on this, so you're going to have combination slides on this one. Now your two propanes are over here right next to each other, and then you have this really nice pass through here. There's where your leveling system is. Super nice. Again, you can see that this is the Elite Series. You can see some of their new graphics here. It's got a little bit of a blue accent in it. Have a dump area there. I'm not exactly sure where your pull handles are. Well, I'm still not sure. Hold on.
What are we looking for?
I'm looking for the pull handles.
Let's see if it's in here.
I know where they are though. Whew, okay. Now this is going to be a front living, so this is going to give you some extra storage at the rear. So that's one, and then.
Holy crap!
Yeah, wow.
There's your tank pulls.
So there they are. So for people who like to know, there it is.
Holy Batman.
Wow. Wow. Okay, we didn't do a walk around on this one. We should have, because this one's kind of left me a little bit speechless.
Holy Batman.
Okay, so you're going to have this pull-out tray. Not sure how far out it will go.
Well, let's just find out.
Well, let's just see.
All right.
Wow. Wow. Okay, all this other stuff is going to be accessed from the other side, so we'll show you that when we get around, but...
Good night.
How nice is this?
We haven't seen one of these in a while.
We have not. Oh, wow. All right, let's look at the back. Oh, goodness, this is tall. It is prepped for a Lippert ladder. You're going to have a really long Lippert ladder to get on top of this one.
Phew.
It is also prepped for a backup camera. And then, as if all that wasn't enough,
there's that tankless water heater right there.
Water heater. Look at this.
Good night.
Wow, talk about some storage.
Could you not do that for a bedroom?
My goodness. We could put the dog back here. Anyway.
Don't you be putting my Rosie back there.
Anyway, you also have a sewer caddy right down there. There's going to be a quick connect right there where that little tag is hanging down. Now let's look at this side.
Let's see what we got over here. Well, there you go.
Wow. Oh, wow. Okay, just wow. All right, guys, college football is going to start back in, what, 1 week, 2 weeks? This is... We're like the third week into August right now, so hey, for you who like to tailgate or like to watch football at the campsite, you need this one. Look at this. Woo. Hey, our friend Todd needs this.
Wow.
He loves to cook, and this is going to be amazing. Yeah.
TV's a 32.
So you got a 32-inch TV outside, you got a mini fridge, you've got all this pull-out kitchen area. Oh, wow. Oh, wait, and look, there is another.
Good night.
And so that's the other side of that storage. And you got a little automatic light that comes on.
You know what? I like this.
This is nice. You got
I
JBL
like
speakers
this.
back here. This awning is huge. It is 21 feet. Is that what we decided?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you got this great big awning that's going to cover all of this outside area. That is just, wow. That is just totally amazing. Let me go up here and show you this side of the pass-through storage real quick at the front. So, yeah. Wow. So your solar controller is going to be here. You do have a light there. And another bottle opener. And I think that's like the second one we've seen.
Now this one has the outside storage.
Yes. Yeah, so if you like to take all of your stuff with you, you've got plenty of places to put it.
If Triple H wants to give us this, we would take it.
Yeah, hey, we'll demo this one. Some of the places we go, I don't think we could get it in, but hey, we'd sure try. All right, coming on in. Ooh, where to start? Again, this is a front living, so let's head to the front.
Sound like a country song. Let's head to the front.
Anything can be a country song. I heard one about a pontoon the other day. So,
Oh my
come
gosh.
on. You are going to have a front windshield up here, but then you do have your televator here. So you can look out the window, or you can watch your massive, 65-inch TV. That's what it looks like. And that was pretty fast. Hey,
Well,
look
let's
at it.
see. Yep. Nope.
Nope, 55.
Yep. It's a 55.
Oh, okay. Hey, it's still a big old TV.
It's a big old TV.
Yeah, they're getting better with these televators. They're getting them where they go a whole lot faster. You've got all of this storage around it, and then you got this really cool mirrored fireplace down here. Whew. AC unit up here. Your opposing slides are going to have these 2 cushion couches in them. They're going to make some additional sleeping. But guys, if you like to entertain, look at all this floor space you've got. So you can put a nice cozy rug up here and just make this all nice and homey.
Homie.
And right in front of your 55-inch TV that is on a televator that is now going down, you have got this theater seating. It's going to have parachute pulls, but you got a cup holder on both sides. And I can tell you, when I sat on it, it is actually quite comfortable. And from up here, you have this great view of your kitchen area.
Oh, let me just stop you right now and just say we may be at the Tampa RV show this next January.
Yes. We're planning on it right now, so
And we're probably going to be there that Friday.
yeah, and so we'll let you guys know if we're there. If we are and you are, look us up. We'll be
out
wandering
walking around, and if you see us, we might even have some stickers with us.
We might have a t-shirt or two. I don't know. It just kind of depends. But gosh, look at all this storage across the top. Now, I'm a little short, so it's a little tall for me, but that is just a lot of storage. And look at these huge windows. Again, this is a really great Forest River thing. I love the squared off windows. They just look amazing. Down below, you have a huge area underneath your sink. You've got a cabinet over there. You've got these 3 drawers. Now this is going to be solid surface in here. And even your inserts that go over your sink are solid surface. This has got the 2-tone hardware. I know some people don't like it. I think it's super cool. Mainly because the high school I graduated from, their colors were black and gold. So yay, go Warriors.
Okay.
That was just my worthless information for the day.
Yep.
Here you have an amazing size pantry. It is really, really nice. You do have a nice, big, full-size microwave.
Look at that right there.
You have got a 4-burner cooktop.
Gosh.
A turkey-sized oven.
Turkey.
Karen, here you go. You can bake a cake for us and we'll come see you.
Yes.
Solid surface around this also. And you have these drawers here. This one does have a flush floor mount. Not floor mount, flush floor slide. Yeah. USB power right there. Nice big French door fridge with 2 freezers on the bottom. Ooh, lots of ice cream space. Again, and I guess you can call this a wine rack up here. I have given up Diet Mountain Dews, guys. I have not had a Diet Mountain Dew in about a year and a half now. So now I am addicted to Gatorade Zeros. So I would have those lined up there, which is just as bad almost.
Kind of skipped this going in.
We did. On this side of your little breakfast bar area, you have got this storage, and then you've got these two great bar stools. Again, solid surface. I just cannot point this out enough.
Love what
the
they're doing with
shades
these
on this.
shades.
Yeah, they're integrated into the window, so they don't bounce around and pop and make all kinds of horrible noise.
Oh, wow.
Now, for your guest, if you've got somebody that's staying up here on those pull-out sofas, they have their own half bath, so they don't have to come all the way through your camper. And this is just a backlit mirror, so it's not a medicine cabinet. But hey, you got great storage underneath the sink.
And a porcelain foot flush toilet, too.
Yes, you do. And then you have some hooks up there in case you want to add some towels.
Right. Excuse me.
Super.
Go in
And I
here.
love that they give you a actual closing door and not a sliding door. Sliders have got their place, that's for sure. But I love that. Now we're going to move up in here into the main bedroom.
Oh, goodness.
I just have to point out, look at the space that you have on each side of this
And
bed.
they give you little nightstands.
Yes.
Or for those for CPAPs.
And guys, this is a king size bed. And look, you've got that size and look, I mean, there's even a gap here. So to have a king size bed and have that much space on both sides, this is just huge. It is amazing. Again, you've got those really great integrated shades into the windows and shelves up there, a backlit headboard. It's just super, super nice. Now this does have a sliding door because it makes sense in here.
But God.
But then you've got this. This would be great if you use those storage cubes. You can toss stuff up in there and slide it right up there. It'd be out of the way. If you travel with cats, I bet they would like that. Speaking of storage cubes.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That'll work.
I mean, perfect.
Goodness.
Hey, you can grab these things at Walmart or Dollar General. You can find them anywhere. Don't spend a whole lot of money. Don't go to the fancy places. Get you some that they'll all work the same. Then you got this storage right back there. Your heating is going to be in the floor in here. Again, speaking of the floor, I just cannot get over how much room you have around this bed. Down here,
Gosh. Drawers.
yeah, you got
There's a drawer.
5 drawers. Your TV's going to go up here, and they've already got a built-out little mount that's at an angle. So I'm going to say you could probably get a 32. You might could get a 40-inch TV up there. That's actually really nice. Second AC in here. Now up here you've got this little wardrobe area that's mirrored here. Let me get it on this side so I can show this to you. Let me back up in all this space I've got beside the bed. So your hanging area is right here. I mean, guys, this bedroom is really, really well thought out. You've got lots of great space in here. I guess that's why they're calling this an Elite series.
Elite series.
Yeah, so you got some controls here.
Sorry. Oh, wow.
All right,
Oh, have mercy.
moving into the bathroom. So the bathroom is at the rear. Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. There is a skylight.
30 by 48,
Yeah, 30 by 48. And,
I think.
I mean, down here, you see that all you got to do is just step over and you're in it. So it's not a big step up to get into it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
30 by 48. Big mirror out there. Not a medicine cabinet behind it, but it is backlit. You do have an exhaust fan up here. You've got some really good storage underneath. You've got some open storage over here. Again, if you like the little storage baskets, that's a perfect area for it.
Wow.
You've got a foot flush toilet. Let me step over here in
window.
this shower so I can show you this side of the bathroom. Yes. Window that opens. You have hooks up here for your towels, robes, stuff like that. And I'm going to stand over here next to this foot flush toilet and show you this area.
3 more
so
drawers?
you got 3 more drawers.
Wow, look at there.
Yes. Now, I would have liked to have seen shelves in here for towels, but it gives you an extra hanging area. So, hey, you know, it's not a big deal to add shelves, but you can stack your towels in there. Lots of space. So, yes, this is going to get the golden plunger, but we're still not even finished with the bathroom.
My, you may have to.
Yeah, will this swing all the way around? Yes. So, hey, if you didn't have enough hanging as it
Wow.
was, look, you get some more. And it is prepped for a stackable washer dryer in here.
Good night.
Y'all, this bathroom is massive.
This is really good.
It is super nice. This is actually, well, I mean, it's what, almost 44 feet long, so yeah, you've got lots and lots of space in this one. So you can kind of just tell us what you think about it.
All right, everybody, if you like this big old Salem Hemisphere Elite Series, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.